Here's a gorgeous 1979 Chevy step-side pickup truck. This truck's been totally frame off restored, or body off restored, I should say, from the ground up. Everything's new in it. It's an Arizona truck. It was built right here in Arizona. It's rust-free. The gentleman that built it, I got a stack of receipts for this truck. There's like between 40 and 50,000. Just in the restoration, mostly just parts. The labor is not counted, which is, as anybody knows, can be a ton right there, just as much as the parts. It's got a newer bed on the back, step-side bed. It's got a gorgeous black paint job, shines like a diamond. Very nice and straight. There's no expense spared in this truck. It was done right throughout. It's all new weather stripping, new glass, again, new paint, new American Racing wheels, the highly polished ones. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, the Nito extreme drag tires, looks like drag radial tires. The grill is all new chrome, billet grill. There's no dings, scratches, dents, anything in this truck. It's ready to show. It just looks beautiful, just detailed. Came out awesome. No swirls in the paint. It's got the cowl induction hood. Add a little extra there. All the windows are tinted on it. It's got the billet steps. So the drag radials in the back. Disc brakes. Underneath looks like the top. You got pictures in there. Inside the interior is all new. All new Pro Comp gauges. Wood steering wheel. It's got air conditioning. It's got a rock crusher 4-speed transmission in it. Buckets, console. Built-in radar detector, built mirror. It's got a upgraded bucket seats in it, the original center console. It's got a nice sounding stereo in it. It's got all kinds of extras. I'm thinking it has line lock. It's got a computer control that just reset the tuning on the engine. It looks like. All new window felts. Dash pads mint. Headliner's nice. Jams are all nice in it. Suspension, take a look underneath here, is all brand new, front and rear. You can see all new bushings and I said before, it's got like 10,000 some miles on the build. Under the hood's beautifully detailed. It's got aluminum heads. The engine was built by Grulix here in town. I got receipts for all that. It's got fuel injection. There's air conditioning. It's got a serpentine belt style pulley system, and that alone's over $1,000, $2,000. An absolutely huge Ron Davis aluminum radiator. No idea what that costs, but I guarantee it's not cheap. Chrome brake booster, headers, everything nice and tidy under here. Optima battery with a billet holder. keys. Nice hard cover for the bed. We have nice built hinges. Got a fuel cell, aluminum fuel cell, bed rug. Finished off very nicely. This is for the rear detector, which is built in right there. This thing drives and runs. Actually, just good or better than it looks. And it is an animal. It gets up and goes. That's the rear detector. Talks to you. Steering's tight, suspension's tight, brakes are perfect on it. It's hard to really open it up and shift and everything while holding the camera, but you guys get the point. I mean, that's nothing compared to what it can really do. Yeah, super responsive. Being a fuel injection. It does nothing compared with it. It's like driving his truck. It's a fun toy. Just put you back in your seat. It's an awesome truck, doesn't need anything, all the bugs have been worked out. You're not going to find a nicer one for the price we're asking. Good luck in the bidding and I hope you guys get it.